Hi, this is Duke Calloway. Today we're going to change a power steering pump filter that's on a Mercedes-Benz W123 chassis, and what we have is an 81. Just to give you an idea of what I have here, that's basically the interchange number for the part, and what we've got is the actual Mann filter. So if you see this, and just to give you an idea, I've taken this apart, but the power steering pump is basically right here. You're going to have a wing nut. I had to take a little screwdriver to pop it off. Then inside you'll have there's a spring, and then also there's like a retaining clip that goes on top of the actual stud. So when we put it back, you'll push this back to where the spring is relatively tight. But anyway, I took it apart just for time's sake. So this one actually, really all it needs is a little bit more power steering fluid, but I went ahead and I wanted to replace the filter with another, and then that way it gives you guys something to look at. But you'll take a pair of needle nose pliers, and also my cameraman Gustavo went over to the Dollar Tree and bought a turkey baster. I took a bottled water, empty bottle, and basically I came in here and drained all the fluid out much as I could, put it in here. Again, this one more than anything just needs more power steering fluid, but this is just kind of a what the heck while I'm here. So anyway, you take a pair of needle nose pliers. This filter is actually in pretty good shape if I can get it out. Drain any extra fluid. Put that in here. Take the new filter. Lay it back in like such. Then take the spring and the clip. I might have gone a little too much, but at least it's holding it down. Because it really doesn't need to be that high. But this just shows you how pretty easy it is to take out. And that's about, maybe a little lower. It's probably about there. Then what I've also read, you can pretty much put any power steering fluid. I've got some that was an old AC Delco off of another car we have. So I'm going to pour this back in. Again, I need to go buy some more. This is just so you can see what's going on. I'll take what little bit that I had. I still need to go buy some power steering fluid, but at least I know what the real problem was. Tighten it up, and we're done. Anyway, hopefully that helps. And the whole reason why we changed that is because when you're turning the steering wheel to the left, you could feel like a little bit of a sound and then a vibration. Whereas when you turn the steering wheel hard to the right, it was actually fine. Basically, come to find out, all it really needs is some more fluid, but at least with the filter, now you know what it looks like. Thanks again, and hope this helps.